Okay, we have done this component in EMAT, which is curve sketching. Now we're going to do it in AMAT. Everything remains the same. I will still encourage you all to do the XYST. Okay, but first look at the question. What do you notice about the question 1A, 1B versus 1C, 1D? Do you all notice anything? Okay, Luffy saw it already. Fx versus y. But will they still be the same? They are the same. They are equivalent. The thing is, one is y is the subject. But you remember when we use fx, we use it in polynomial, so it's easier for us to substitute, right? Okay, all these are classified as function. Alright, all these are function where you can substitute values inside so they have different outputs. But never mind. The only thing you need to take note, hey teacher, if it's x and y, of course there's x-axis and y-axis. If it's fx, you don't have y-axis, you have fx-axis. Alright? I'm going to tackle 1b. So I'm going to streamline into 1b. I have to sketch. Alright? So very quickly, this is going to be my working. X, Y, S, T. Tell me, is it easy to find x? Not easy, right? I mean, not so easy now. There are two approaches. One approach, expand everything. Then press calculator. Agree? Another approach, which is my approach, because I don't like to expand everything. I may make mistake. So my approach is I make fx equals 0, which is y equals 0. Alright? Then I solve. What can I do? Can I square it on both sides? Can, right? So if I square on both sides, all agree? Alright? Next. This means x must be equal to then I press calculator. Square root of 2 minus 1. Can you press for me? Square root of 2 minus 1. Rosham? Negative square root 2 minus 1. 414. Negative square root 2 minus 1. Negative square root 2 minus 1. Negative. Okay. Notice, Nosham gave me everything to 3SF. Am I right? But if I can, I must make it more accurate. The same number of decimal place. I'll explain to you why in a short while. Same number of decimal place, the more accurate one. Okay, so I do x already. Alright, I'm going to continue my XYST. Okay, I admit the x coordinate a little bit difficult. Okay, but I did it with you. Y coordinate should be quite easy, right? Make x equal 0. So when I make x equal to 0, you can press your calculator. Negative 4 plus 8, you get 4. Can I find the line of symmetry? There are two methods. The easiest method, what is it? Make the bracket term equal 0. Am I right? So x plus 1 equals 0. This will mean x must be equal to... Oh wait! But teacher, I have the x coordinates of the intercept. If you add these two together, you divide by 2, do you still get negative 1? Yes. That is provided the number of decimal place must be the same. But if you round off to just 3SF, there may be a little bit of difference. You understand now? So they must have the same number of decimal places. Last one. What shape are we having? N, huh? So the turning point must be a maximum turning point. So I just write down maximum turning point. What is my coordinates of the x coordinate of the turning point? What is my y coordinate? 8. Because the bracket term is 0. Okay, now I transfer everything here. Easy or not? Teacher, a little bit difficult. How do I know what is negative 2.412? What is 0.414? Very difficult. How to measure so accurate? Estimate. Estimate. See how I do my estimation, Alright. Let me do my estimation now, So 1, 2. 1, 2. Correct? 0.414 is somewhere near 0.5. Agree? Okay. So 0.5 is there, slightly lesser. This is number 1. Okay, if you can see. Likewise, this is negative 2. So slightly away. Negative 2.414. So you saw the two crosses already? Okay, those are for the x-intercept. Then I need to write down my y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept, I just put number 4 here. Can I start drawing already? Possible, no? Okay, never mind. Line of symmetry first. Let's say I insert everything. X is equal to negative 1. But teacher need to accurately measure? No need. So long it look proportional. So 8, somewhere here. So I write down the coordinates of the turning point. Then I join everything together. Do you like this curve? Why no? Not nice, man? A bit pointed. Does it look symmetrical? No. So I erase a little bit. A bit flat on this side. So I erase. Alright? Need to just erase. Or Luffy say a bit pointed. Is this better now? Okay. Then the curve is completed. Alright, I give you some time to complete your own one.